What makes a longhorn valuable? The shape of their horns? Their color? Their genetics?
Typically the more horn the better, but tip to tip, so as wide as they can be, is pretty valuable in the registered game. And then second and third, well, second is kind of almost a tie between perfect conformation and color, so like the more color the better, but she can't look just like, you know, out of conformation. She's got to be a really good looking cow. Horns, color, conformation.
In a minute.
And they're getting to be all equal. They have to be an ultimate super cow, you know, like all complete cow. Whereas it used to be just horn, basically. See how much horn she has, though.
The one on the end?
The one on the right.
Yeah. What's her name?
That's Ruby Maker.
You said she could be worth as much as 20 grand.
Yeah. Have to put a tape on her though, see where she's at. She's pretty young.
Is it dangerous to put a tape on them?
What's a tape?
A measuring tape, but they have big, dangerous horns. What do you do? Put them in a shoe?
Yeah.
Well, if you ever come visit me and Kurt and you ask for a ranch tour, this is fair warning. You might get covered in cow poop. Called Deer Creek Ranch.
Gentle.
Look how cute they are. How old are they now?
Like 5 weeks, 6 weeks. They're just about ready.
How do you hold them?
Just like no normal cat.
Aww. They're so cute.
And named that one Blue.
Because of its eyes?
I'm claiming this one.
Let me see.
I'm claiming this one. Yeah. It has no tail.
I know. They're Manx.
So cute.
Hi, Phoenix. Let me see.
I call this one. I'm calling this one. This one's mine.
What do you think of that? That's Aunt Erica and Banner's kitty.
This is our kitty.
Let me see.
Mom,
what?
This is our kitty.
We can't get a cat.
Yeah, we can.
Where would we keep it?
In my room. We could maybe get an outside cat.
Hello?
Mama, look right there. Look right there.
What?
Look behind you.
Grace.
Look at my
Okay, we have to check in first before we can pick them. Okay, remember, what did the guy say to us? Here, these ones are at your level.
But these ones are good.
Hi, sister. Let me see. Okay.
I'm sorry, but I think your kid's winning.
What? Let me see, sis. Good job. Those look so good.
Yeah, I'm feeding her.
Phoenix, have you eaten one yet? Was it yummy?
Look at how many cherries I have.
Lincoln, normal voices, please.
No.
I think it's a boy thing.
Okay, should we put them all on the scale?
Wait.
Hey, Lincoln and Phoenix, what do you guys say?
Thank you. Now I can use my shoes as one.
Yep, you can. What just happened?
Nothing.
Lincoln?
So much for selling the truck, huh?
Lincoln Lee?
Can someone help me pick them up?
No!